Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to send money from Zelle to GCash. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Zelle account, which of course I've done right here. Now what exactly is Zelle? Zelle is a great way to send money to friends and family, even if they bank somewhere different than you do. That means it's super easy to get paid back or split the cost of things like dinner. With Zelle, the money goes directly into your bank account, and when money goes into your bank account directly, you can live delightfully. Zelle is already in lots of banking apps, so look for it in yours today. So how do you send money from Zelle to GCash? The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch in the browser of your choice, locate the search bar and type zellepay.com. Take you to this website, check the top right corner of your screen and click on Get Started for you to sign up. After signing up, you can access Zelle, pick a person to pay, and choose the amount. All right, so for you to send money from Zelle to GCash, it means you have to link number one, the bank account that you're going to use to send money to from Zelle has to be linked to GCash. Okay, so use Zelle to transfer the money to a bank account that supports international wire transfers, in this case GCash. Ensure that the bank account is linked to GCash or another service that allows you to move funds from your bank to GCash. Once the money is in your linked bank account, use your preferred method to withdraw the funds to GCash. Now, you may use a bank transfer or another service that supports the transfer from a bank to GCash. So the first step that you need to take is to send money to your bank account that supports international wire transfers, most especially GCash. So when you send the money from Zelle to that bank account that is linked to GCash, head over to the bank account itself. After you've received money into the bank, head over to the bank, and once you head over to your bank app, go ahead and withdraw the funds or transfer the funds to GCash. So you have to be sure that the bank is supporting GCash. So once the money has been transferred from bank to GCash, head over to your GCash app to be sure that the money has been received. So I'm just going to show you how you can send money with Zelle. This is the step that you need to take. First, sign in and select transfer and pay right there in the website or the mobile. So transfer and pay on the desktop and pay and transfer on the mobile app. Once you click on any of this, transfer and pay, select Zelle. Once you select Zelle, select send. Now select the recipient. In this case, it will be you, your bank details and all. Then enter the amount, then select review. Once you select review, select send. And that money goes directly into your bank account. So once it gets into your bank account, that's going to be it. So go to your bank and transfer the money from your bank to GCash, and head over to GCash to be sure that the money has been sent successfully. So that's pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.